There we go. Now we're finished. Islam, peace and grand rising to the sovereign indigenous Moors. I am Angelica Yvette Dobbs Bay, and also known as Angel Bay, and we are here doing a lawful repossession of our estate. This right here to go over the documentations that we're going to put on our door is the Provost Marshal Lawful Possession documentation stating the debtor being the fraudulent the fraudulent address, the creditors being Nathaniel and Angelica, and stating that creditor has lawful possession for the land, building, for information, contact the creditors or the provost marshal. Islam, that part. Next document, affidavit for entering domicile. This document states that for this one that was checked pursuant to the court order, the supreme original jurisdiction has given the order. Okay? And it says from this date, because we are technically after the Wednesday business day, so that's why I stated June 12th, and 72 hours, which would be Wednesday of next strong, that this document will be executed for lawful entry as well. And this right here is a notice for presentment, lawful claim for sovereign property. Notice the agent is notice the principal, notice the principal is notice the agent. And it says this lawful presentment for notification for lawful remittance, repossession, reversion of the state. This matter has been lawfully been given due process. Any and all statements, writs, affidavits, liens, quarantos are the law and is the supreme law at New York territory. Islam. And this is the links that all notifications can be found at. Islam. And then it's this the affirmation, jure, also known as page, with my express trust, the seal, clerk stamp, and so on. This is the Universal Sovereign Original Indigenous Ancient Natural Divine Cease and Desist Quor Wanto Mendamus Restitutio. This affidavit of fact is also that part as well. And this states affidavit for Quor Wanto Mandamus restitution notice is to state the Supreme Article 3 court jurisdiction and the indigenous autogenous mound builders of North America people for the land, own the land by such virtue. No sale can be made for any property. And this is a cease and desist command. And we are referencing the Supreme Actors Court case that happened in 1848, stating that all land belongs to the mound builders, the original indigenous tribes, which are the Bay, Day, El, Ali, and Al at Earth, Islam. And I stated other whereases, stating that whereas 121, we're standing at right now, West 136th Street, New York 10030, is a reversion of estate, reclaimed estate property, and is in alignment with the 1 million square miles that is sovereign land by Superior Articles Counselor Court action ruling and an inferior decision by the United States Appellate Court in 1850, supported the already known facts of the indigenous autogenous mound builders of North America people. Whereas the 121 West 136th Street, New York 130 property with all ancillaries are placed within an express trust, and title has been reclassified to be trust bank title. Islam. There's my trust seal and stamp, and it's proof of where it's been filed. I don't give that information, but there's a book and page number right there that it is an express trust. So the great seal, clerk stamp, Islam. And this, my friends, is the affidavit of fact. We've taken the longitude and latitude and made that the living people because land is living. All right, so this has been an affidavit of fact restated for this domicile, giving the longitude and latitude coordinates and stating that the land has been revised and revisioned back to the people. And this is the artificial corporation known as Block and Lot has been put where it belongs in subject status, right? And also known as a nom de guerre. The address is a nom de guerre as well, and that has been stated as such. All right, Islam. Beautiful, breezy day. We give Allah thanks and gratitude. So that's how seeds flow. And so, these are the pages, other supporting the claim. And the final page, stated facts. With seals and autographs. Islam. And so, this notice of presentments and everything is going to be now affixed to the door. Upstairs. Yeah. All right. It's been properly affixed to the door for lawful notice. We will come back periodically and check on this, making sure that it is here and honored and respected. We will be also doing our postmaster duties tomorrow to put other parties on notice at their respective locations for them to be also put on notice. We mean business. We don't play games. Islam, Islam, Islam. Peace and grand rising to the sovereign original indigenous Moors. Thank you, babe. And video.
Put some tape on the bottom because it's windy out here and the wind may blow it down.
All right. Islam.